Yo, what's going on, guys? My name is Soccer Cobra, and today I am back bringing you the top 10 scariest noises or sounds heard moments before death. And it's going to be a sad video, that's for sure, but nonetheless, it is a video, and I do hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching, and that's it for me. Peace!
Number 1. Number 2.
Middle school prom. Oh, I'm gonna hate it. Alright, that's all I gotta say.
Number 3.
It's only $3.99, and I'll have you let you know. But can you do this?
Number 4.
Пошел нахуй, даун ебаный, ебал твою, блядь, семью пидорасов, сука, блядь!
Number 5.
Hey!
What?
Look out!
Number 6. Number 7.
We can jump.
Number 8.
Welcome everyone, my name's Ali A,
Would
and
you look at
today
that?
we have something that I'm sure is going to be hilarious.
It's this guy.
I'm going back to my very first ever Fortnite Battle Royale
Yeah,
video. and
right
I
outside my
reacted
window.
To me
Let's see
being
if he'll go
the
away.
biggest big noob. Today I am giving a go
okay.
the brand
Alright, I'm
new,
done with
newly
this.
released.
Alright, we'll give it one more try. Nope. Okay, we're done.
Number 9.
I'll grab your butt cheeks and pull out my willy, stir your asshole like a hot bowl of chili.
Number 10.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're gonna be doing another video in